To run Speak Troubleshooter in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Set menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Update and Security, and then click or tap Troubleshoot. Select Additional Troubleshooters, and then scroll down screen. On Speak, get your microphone ready and fix problems that may prevent Windows from hearing you. Tap or click and then select Run the Troubleshooter. Allow the troubleshooter to run and then answer any questions on the screen. If you see a message that no changes or updates when necessary, you can try recovery options or find out more about Outlook error codes and upgrade and installation error code. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.